Within the main Maximizer application, access the app directory. Then, locate the Maximizer to Microsoft integration and click on it. Here, you can read more about what the integration offers, but let's get you up and running quickly. Click the Get It Now button at the top left area of the screen. You'll now be redirected to the Microsoft Store. Click on the Get It Now button again to start the installation. Once you're verified by Microsoft, you'll be able to open the Outlook web application by clicking the Open button. Now that you're in the Outlook web app, open an email and click on the ellipsis in the top right of the email viewing pane. Look for the Maximizer Connect option within the menu of options presented to you and click on it. To connect your Maximizer account to the integration, click the Login button, enter your email address, and your Maximizer credentials. Upon successfully connecting to Maximizer, the integration will appear in the pane to the right. You're also able to access this integration from your Microsoft Office desktop application. Let's quickly jump over there and I'll show you how to do that. Simply click on an email, then click on the Maximizer Connect button within the ribbon bar. The integration will automatically be displayed in the pane on the right, and you'll be logged in seamlessly.